Long-term review of the power running shoes, and there are only 2 reasons you should buy them. I have used these shoes for a few 5 and 10k runs and I am in a good position to give you some feedback. Straight away with the negatives, the sole of the shoe is not up to the mark. It wears off very quickly and it's simply dangerous to use these shoes once it wears off when it is wet or if you are running in the rain. It is also important to note that the soles of the shoes were totally dead at around 60 kilometers of running. Just compare the energy return before and now. Also, the inside of the shoe is not plush at all, so you cannot compare the plushness of the shoe inside with higher branded shoes. On the positive side, the upper of the shoe looks decent and is quite durable. The only 2 reasons you should buy this shoe is if you like the looks of the shoe and want to buy it for casual wear, or if you want to buy the shoe as a stopgap measure until you can afford something better. I hope this review was helpful. Signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.